So today we're working with pulleys.
Let's try that. So this says 10.8 pounds is what we need. All right, so what we're doing now is we're just gonna pull it. So we've zeroed it. Go ahead and pull it, Lucas. So he's pulling it up. That's good. Now just kind of hold it there and let's look at it. On the scale, we're reading 10.0, which is about what we should be reading. Okay, go ahead and gently lower it to the ground. Now that really didn't help us, did it? So I wonder what we need to do to make this work better for us.
We've switched the pulley now, and now it's at the bottom.
Alright, so he's putting the hook in, and then he'll lift it up. And let's get a reading here. What do we got? What's it say?
4.73.
4.73, so it cut the weight almost in half, didn't it? Whoa, so we did get a mechanical advantage, didn't we? Alright, let's check something else out.
Because our weights got lower last time, we added a second pulley. So let's see how it goes.
Is it on? There you go. Alright, 0. There you go. Alright, pull it. What's your reading?
3.79.
3.79. So we got even less, didn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wanna try to add another one?
Yeah.
Alright.
This time we added a third pulley. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Go ahead and let it settle.
2.93.
2.93. So when you're pulling on them, has it gotten easier every single time?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder why.
This is my
Typically with a pulley system, you can count the number of strings. So you got 1, 2, 3. And so we had 10 pounds. And if our IMA, which is a mechanical advantage, is 3 here, 10 divided by 3 is what? 3.33, somewhere in there, right? And what number did you say?
I said 2.93.
Yeah, so he said 2.93. Now what he's reading is the actual mechanical advantage, so he's got to account for friction and all kinds of cool stuff. But that does explain it, so the math does kind of confirm it.
So, we've made the weight go by lot. It's 30 pounds.
So we're going to 0 to scale, we got 30 pounds on 0. Alright. So the weight's off the ground. Hold it there, what do you got?
7.12.
7.12. Wow. So adding pulleys does help, doesn't it?